this lecture, we are talking about top skills for data science. For the past 5 years, data scientists have been one of the most desired and hottest job in the world. As soon as companies started realizing the importance of data in their business, the demand started growing in every sector. Today, data science has become the core that support business for analytics, mining or extraction of data and using different techniques like machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, Tableau, Power BI. So these are top skills for data science. So there are different sections that include technical data science skills, non-technical data science skills, programming skills for the data science, business or domain skill for the data science. So in technical skills, we are talking about machine learning. So machine learning is a branch of data science which is used to model and derive conclusions from it. Data scientists use machine learning algorithms like random forest, k-nearest neighbors, naive-bayes, regression models, classification, learnings, example, etc. Second one is neural network. So neural network are mechanical structure with interconnected nodes that mimic the function of brain neurons. They can categorize and cluster raw data using algorithms, spot hidden patterns and connection in it. Third one is Hadoop. Hadoop is a language that contains an open source framework which is also known as Apache Hadoop. And also Hadoop enables the clustering of many computers to examine big data sets in parallel more quickly than a single powerful machine for data storage and their processing. Next one is cloud computing. Everyday data scientists examine and evaluate vast amount of data. They use platforms like Google Cloud as well as AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, and Azure, that allowing data scientists to leverage operational tools and programming language for their database management system. And next one is deep learning. So data science, which also encompass statistics and predictive modeling and contain deep learning as a key component. Deep learning makes this process quicker and simple, which is advantage to data scientists who gather, analyze and interpret massive volume of data for their use. Non-technical skills includes data governance and security, team player, critical thinking, communication. Then programming skills for data science include Python, data warehouse and SQL, Apache Spark. For Python language, we can also use Jupyter Notebook for Python running, as well as we can also use a Google Colab for the code information. Next one is business or domain knowledge. For the business and domain knowledge in data science, we can use time series modeling and natural language processing.